We are at Central Sea Station. What's going on with the escalators? They are getting replaced. You can see this one's on the chopping block now in the process of being removed. And these were vintage Montgomery escalators. And we know they have reached the end of the useful time for them to be replaced. And we know the good news, this one at the other end still original, which we know unfortunately is going to be going bye-bye. Let's go right on it, shall we? Check it out here. There we go. Montgomery escalator. There it is. Emergency stop brake and key switch. Just turn it on. Wow. Yeah. These were installed in 1978 when the station opened. And now they are about to be replaced. Users like me and like Brian's adventure, who I just met, going to get started in these finalized on these old views. Yes, these will be missed. Oh, this escalator. No one inside. And even there's the other one over there too, that's unfortunately going bye-bye. All three of these escalators are being replaced. When that one on the west side of the platform will be done, this one. This one probably escalator. That. Very nice. Then you go into that, you don't say goodbye. You know, when once this escalator down there is done, this thing will be next. And I have to say, at this point, see, these are beautiful Montgomery escalators. And very well said. That would be